Good evening, everyone. It is 11:47 p.m. September 19th, 2025, and I did a poll today on my YouTube, not YouTube, my Twitter, and I was basically checking on how much money are people trading with, and it seems like half of you guys are trading with $50,000. I'm actually kind of shocked, you know if you're trying, by the way, if you're trading with this much money, I believe, I don't know how true that is, please comment and tell me if that's true. If you're still learning, you don't need to start with 50,000. Try to turn 20,000 into 40,000 first, or even 10,000 into 20,000 first before you risk 50,000, because that, to me, if you're starting off and you have $50,000 to trade, is kind of scary. If you lose that, if you get that down to 20, you might start spiraling, or things like that. Please go easy. And 10 to 30k is where I thought most of you guys were going to be, so I was kind of a shock when I saw that half of you guys are at 51k. If that's the case, okay, I'm going to try my best to grow this account to 50k as fast as I can, okay, timely and reasonably. So anyways, guys, this is the $1,000 stock challenge. We are currently at let's quickly go. We started off with $1,000, and then we bought some options. We came all the way down to 800, and then we chopped there a little bit, and then the options started going. I believe this will start is when I bought Tesla, and then Tesla got going. We got up to 1,600, and you can see here we went down all the way to 1,000. That's actually a visual bug by Robinhood, because some of my options will go to zero when the market closes. When it opens, it's a different price, but that's what happens. Anyways, market open. Like you can see, you can kind of 2 p.m. It's a bug, right? I don't just go from 2 p.m. into 4 p.m. and suddenly gain 200. I don't even remember holding that many positions. Anyways, and then we got going the last couple of days. We went literally from 1,300 to 1,800. That was the day after the day of FOMC. And then here we are at 2,300. And some of the notable stock. Let's go to Robinhood Legend. Very loud, I know. We are actually in the name that made us a lot of money is Qubit. QUBT is what I call it. QUBT, we're up 321%. I covered some already. I'm still holding the rest of the position for a longer swing. I got in this position before the stock made a big move, and as you can see, I only have one call. I don't have that many. And then I also have MP. I sat in this one for a long time. I also trimmed this position. We're up 136 right now, and we got Sound, 2 of them. SES. This thing is weird because I bought so far out of the money. Actually, not that far. It didn't really offer that many options, but I wanted to do options anyways, just cause. It's hard. The volume isn't that big, so I really need. It's hard for me to trim this thing. I want to trim it, but there isn't any buyers in the stock. There's INVZ. I just bought it recently. Ignore the Tesla stock. I got this one from referring a friend. And I am not gonna send you guys the referral link, because I don't need that. RKT, I got in this stock just very recently. RKT, I got in today, I believe. I actually got in on the dip. I feel like that is not that good of a play. I feel like I'm FOMOing a little bit. This market has been proven to be just extremely strong. And matter of fact, the market is so strong that I am buying stocks that's dipping down to the 10-day moving average. And that's what RKT did. RKT pulled back to the 10K moving average. And based off the previous runs, it would go up after it hits the 20 EMA. So if I were to buy the dip, I really should wait for the 20 EMA. But at the same time, I'm just like, this market is so strong. Maybe it's okay to break the rule a little bit. I honestly think that was a mistake and I'm going to get punished. But because I already bought it, I'm just going to keep on holding it. And I got some 6 month, like 4 months call on IMVZ. We got some losing positions. We got Wolf, that's not going yet. I bet in Ethereum is like my biggest loser. These are not going. I thought they were gonna go. The chart looks so good, but crypto has been proven to be a piece of shit in the last couple of trading sessions. It will go and not go, but it could still get going. I don't know. It's definitely not easy to buy cryptos. And some positions that I cover, I don't know if you still can see it. Yeah, nothing crazy, you know. So this Joby, I also sold some Ethereum and IBIT, and yeah, bought Joby at 0.05 and sold it at 0.21. Very small risk, $5 risk to make $15. Like every single dollar count when you're growing a small account, and I just thought that Joby might break out, and I didn't have much buying power. You know, that's the crazy thing. I'm actually fully. You guys can see in the buying power that all my $2,300 is in options right now. That is why I'm running out of buying power, so I didn't add any new positions. I did add RKT, like I said, but I think that might be a mistake. Maybe I feel like I shouldn't have added, but that is what it is, and yeah, we are doing pretty well. I think that will round up for this video. We are up 130% since we started this $1,000 challenge, and it's been, I think, a week. So it's going well, likely from the help of the market. And I feel like there's a lot of stock you could buy and make a good percentage, but these kind of trading style, these kind of swings really only work when the market is good. Remember that. It doesn't work all the time. You need to know when to. I think the biggest strength I have is to know when to step on the gas pedal. And it's also my biggest weakness is sometimes I step too hard into the extended area. So once trades are not working, you gotta let go of the gas pedal and start chilling a little bit. But as of right now, as of today, market is extended, but that doesn't mean it cannot get even more extended. And some stocks might still go and some will start resting. The market might go up and some of the positions might start chilling while others are going. We are in a bull market right now. It's clear. It's loud and clear. Buy good setups. Don't just buy randomly. Buy good setups. And I'm sure you guys will make a lot of money in the next couple months. That's it for this video. I gotta go take a shower and rest up. And I hope everybody has a good weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, there's people asking for me to make scans. The reason I'm not making, I could make a scan for you guys very easily, but I've been manually scanning stocks. That's the truth. I've been manually scanning all the stocks on the option. That's why I haven't been using scanners. And yes, it's a waste of time, not using a scanner, but like I have too much time to waste. So, and that's how I found these stocks, right? Wasting my time. Anyways, I wouldn't call it time waste if I'm making money off of it, right? And I enjoy, spending my entire afternoon doing things like that. I have the time to do so. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and I think starting next week or a week later, I'm going to be auctioning one of my Miata. I know there's a little promotion for my stuff. I'm not promoting any other car companies or anything. I'm selling my car. If anybody's interested in buying, leave in the comments. I might advertise for the auction a little bit because I want to sell my car. That's it. I'm not doing car business. I'm just selling one car only. Okay. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when I update that. All right. See you guys in the next video. Peace.